Hello viewers, hope you all are doing well. So our today topic is make money on YouTube. So let's get started. How to make money on YouTube? The YouTube Partner Program gives creators great access to YouTube resources and features like direct access to YouTube Creator Support Team. It's also enable revenue sharing from ads being served on your content. In this video, you can review number 1 is available features, number 2 is criteria of joining, number 3 is the application checklist, and number 4 is other miscellaneous on YouTube partnership program. What you get? Number 1 is access to YouTube creator support team. Number 2 is access to the copyright match tool. Number 3 is access to YouTube monetization features. Minimum eligibility requirements to join. Number 1 is follow all the YouTube channel monetization policies. The YouTube channel monetization policies are a collection of policies that allow you to monetize on YouTube. As a YouTube partner, your agreement including the YouTube Partner Program policy require compliance with these monetization policies to potentially earn money on YouTube. Number 2 is live in a country region where the YouTube Partner Program is available. Number 3 is have no active community guideline strike on your channel. Number 4 is have more than 4,000 valid public watch hours in the last 12 months. Number 5 is have more than 1,000 subscribers. Number 6 is have a linked AdSense account. YouTube Partner Program Application Checklist. Everyone who meets YouTube threshold can apply for YouTube Partnership Program. But you do need to meet some of YouTube guidelines to be considered. This checklist is meant to guide you through the application process. Number 1 is make sure your channel follows our policy and guideline and that there are not any active community guideline strike on YouTube. When you apply, you will go through a guideline standard review process to check whether your channel meets YouTube policy and guidelines. Channel that meets YouTube policy and guidelines will be accepted into the program. YouTube also continuously checks channels in the program to make sure they continue to meet YouTube policy and guideline. Number 2 is make sure that two-step verification is turned on your Google AdSense account. This means you will protect your account with both your password and a second form of verification. Number 3 is have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 valid public watch hours. When YouTube assess channel for the YouTube Partnership Program, YouTube need context. When you reach this threshold, it usually means that you have more content. The threshold helps us a more informed discussion about whether your channel meets YouTube policy and guideline. You can apply for YouTube Partnership Program once you reach this threshold. Number 4 is YouTube sign YouTube Partnership Program terms. You can ask to be notified when you reach the subscribers and public watch hours. Once your channel meets the threshold, follow these instructions. So number 1 is sign into YouTube. Number 2 is in the top right, click your profile picture, YouTube Studio. Number 3 is in the left menu, click Monetization. Number 4 is if you under the there should click Notify me when I am eligible to get an email. You will receive an email when you reach 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours over the past 12 months. If you meet the there should, click Start on the Review Partner Program Terms card. Make sure you have only one AdSense account. As part of the application process, you will need to content and connect an AdSense account to get paid. Number 1 is click Start on the Sign Up for Google AdSense card. Number 2 is if you already have an AdSense account, use the one that already approved. You can link as many of your channel as you want to a single AdSense account. Number 3 is if you don't have any AdSense account, you can create one by following the on-screen instructions. Number 4 is once you have connected your AdSense, YouTube mark this step with a green done. Sign on the Sign Up for Google AdSense card. Get reviewed. Once you sign the YouTube Partner Program Turn and Connect an AdSense account, your channel will automatically be put in a review. Our YouTube automated system and human reviewers will then review your channel content to check whether your account has followed all of YouTube guidelines. Number 1 is if you accept into YouTube partnership program. Congratulations, you can now set up and add preference and enable monetization on your uploads. Number 2 is if you are rejected from YouTube partnership program. YouTube reviews found that a significant portion of your channel does not meet YouTube policy and guideline. You can reapply 30 days after your rejection. Stay active to keep money. As the YouTube partnership program continue to grow, it's important to maintain a healthy, active ecosystem of channels. To focus YouTube support for creators who are active and engaged with the community. YouTube may disable monetization on channels that they have not uploaded a video or posted to the community tab for 6 months or more. Hope that you all will clearly understand about YouTube policies on how to make money on YouTube and YouTube partnership program. So visit my YouTube channel and like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.